Have you ever wondered if there is a plant that carries both food and medicine and can be planted in late September or early October? A plant that hides the power of nature with its red root and that can be sown right now. Stay with us until the end, because today we will discover why this vegetable crop is one of the most valuable treasures of autumn. Beets have been known since ancient times. The ancient Romans used it as a natural medicine, and today it is valued for its wealth of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It cleanses the blood, strengthens the body, and gives us energy at a time when we need it most. And what is best, it can also grow in the autumn garden because it tolerates cooler days and nights well. The end of September is the ideal time to sow it. The soil is still warm enough to encourage germination, and the mild autumn climate allows the root to develop more slowly and become sweeter. If you plant it now, you will enjoy its roots throughout the fall, and the young leaves can be used after a few weeks as an addition to salads and soups. This plant is not demanding. It requires a sunny spot, loose soil, and occasional watering. But in return it gives a lot. What makes it special is its versatility. You can cook it, bake it, eat it fresh, make salads, juices, and even use the leaves as a healthy addition to dishes. In folk medicine, it is often called a natural blood medicine, and research has shown that it regulates blood pressure and strengthens the immune system for this reason. Many gardeners consider it a plant that combines health and enjoyment of taste. So, the plant we are talking about is beetroot, the queen of red roots and the jewel of the autumn. Garden. If you plant it now, you will not only have vegetables on your plate, but also a natural pharmacy at your fingertips. Plant beetroot at the end of September and discover its strength and richness of taste. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends, because nature always has its secrets, and together we discover them season after season.